And tell everybody, how do the adjustments feel? You're pregnant. Does it hurt you?
No,
Let everybody
it does
know.
not hurt.
Okay. And does it feel good?
Yes.
Okay,
Gives you
good.
some relief.
Okay. Excellent. Let's do it, okay? You'll feel pressure right. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. Baker. I'm here with Puspa. And Puspa's expecting her first baby. When's your due date?
September 21st.
September 21st. And this is number 10?
11.
First baby.
First baby.
Awesome. So we're going to do an adjustment, okay?
Okay.
So let's have you lie on your side first, Puspa. You're fine. And Puspa is complaining about tailbone pain. So the great thing about chiropractic care, when you're expecting, you don't want to take a lot of drugs or medications. So we're going to adjust her tailbone. We're going to bring her way over here. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. You're going to feel pressure right there. How's that?
So good.
Good. Now on this side. Arm leg is straight. This is great for lower back pain, spasms, cramping, sciatic pain. Keep deep breath. All the way out. Right. Perfect. Great. Okay, come on up here. We'll do your neck, okay? Let's put the right side over. Just spread that. Perfect. Left side. Nice. Tell everybody how that feels. Great. Good job, Puspa. I'm here with Taylor, and Taylor's obviously expecting. So Taylor's, when is your due date?
July 23rd.
July 23rd. And this is number 2, right?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So we're going to go ahead and perform some adjustments, okay? And tell everybody, how do the adjustments feel? You're pregnant. Does it hurt you?
No,
Let
it
everybody
does
know.
not hurt.
Okay. And does it feel good?
Yes.
Okay,
Gives you
good.
some relief.
Okay. Excellent. Let's do it, okay? So lie on your side, Taylor. So that's the great thing about chiropractic care. Expecting mothers, this is the only thing you can really do. Put your head up here. Because you don't want to take a lot of medication when you're an expecting mother, do you, Taylor?
No.
Take a deep breath. Yeah. Feel pressure right. There we go. Okay, take a deep breath there, Taylor. All the way out. You'll feel pressure right there. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay, let's do your neck, okay? Awesome. Perfect. Tell everybody how that feels, Taylor.
It's good.
Good, great. Great job. So we really appreciate everybody watching our YouTube channel. Make sure to let us know what you guys want to see. Comment, like, subscribe, and make sure to hit notifications. But get involved. Tell us what you guys want to see. We love it. And we will personally respond to everybody. I'll see you guys next time.